Got an OBS. You said it's a 6-inch RC? Pretty clean, pretty clean. What all you got done to it?
6-inch rough country, stock uppers, stock everything, really. Just Chevy keys turned 3/4 of the way up. I got no blocks in the back with 6-inch slip shocks.
Okay.
Total straight pipes, no cap, no mufflers. New motor in it, ride good, drive good.
Yeah, how many miles on it?
Only 10,000 miles.
Wow, brand new motor.
Interior clean too.
Clean interior. Headliner. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Man.
House too.
This is a 6-inch rough country. It just don't have the plate, right?
I ain't got the plate on it.
This shit clean. What to do with it?
I'm gonna put a 7.9 FTS, throw some 6s and 7s on there, put the chrome door handles, and if anybody's got a set of chrome caddy racks, get at me. I've been looking for a set. I got money.
Shit.
Find them bitches.
Start on my day, grab a wood in my When I leave the crib, I got one in the top. Yeah, she thought she was bad, but the 7 she base. I just fucked and I dip, she gon' call, say she hated. The fuck out my face with all of this complaint. Niggas mad about some shit that I ain't even do. Niggas say he gon' what? Oh, he finna shoot who? Nigga talking to hoes, oh, he said what the who? He still mad cause my brother took off all on you. You was mad cause he ain't up a gun, but he still got your shit. But to me, you just really sound puss. Like how you gon' cuff on the bitch that we ain't even care about? Nigga, you swing for some puss. And then you got the nerve to have niggas that you finna shoot. Boy, your ass know you a rook. Matter of fact, hell nah, but it ain't even rook. You ain't jump off that puss, little boy, you stupid. Put a shot in his brain, leave the fuck nigga clean. 7 savages, and you know all of them roots. Shot caught on my phone and he like, gang, let's do it. I don't care about the bitch, see my op and I'm shooting.
I don't care about that bitch, see my op and I'm shooting. I call 7 up like 7, let's do it. Send them a blitz, you know I'ma get to it. 20 Glocks, I'ma shoot it through the roofing. Niggas know my body shooting shit like I'm hooping. Never gave a fuck about shit, let's do it. 7 say you're dub before you gotta go. Niggas get mad cause we treat them like hoes. Niggas ain't never put shit on the floor. Niggas ain't never kicked in no dough. Like, what you finna cap about now? Throw you off the glass, Reese gon' come and scope. Glock with the beam, switches, it's a go. Like, we caught a op and we slimed them out. 2 twin Glocks, I might run in Obama house. But 7 like, damn, what happened to him? I don't know. I bet they found him on the floor. He should've put his cards right.
I don't know yet. I ain't figured it out.
Shit. That shit would hit. That's not bad. For the year. What year is this?
It's a 99. Yeah, for the year, the paint's in really good condition.
99. These are 5s, right?
Yeah, 20s and 35. Just trying to kill them out.
He is gonna be putting some 6s and 7s on this thing soon. Y'all already know. No rear blocks, cause what the fuck is that? Gonna be scrubbing and thugging. Got the LED. Y'all follow the gram and Snapchat. Shit's clean, it's clean. Is it loud or it's not really that loud?
It's a little loud.
You still got your cats?
No.
Okay. Shit.
Only bad thing about the exhaust is that damn exhaust leak right now.
Shit, Randy, get that shit fixed. For nothing. That shit clean, that shit clean. Very clean, y'all. Suede purple. No rips, no nothing. 99. I'm not gonna lie, I had planned on doing the body lift when I had the RC because I wanted to be as big as Hunter. But I ended up getting my new truck and I never got around to that. Sold everything.
Well, I don't really like body lifts. That's why I'm gonna get the 7 and 9. Hopefully it'll sit bigger than that.
Yeah.
And now, I'm gonna take the knuckles out. I'm gonna put a 4-inch spindle in there and figure out the CV axis.
Okay. How you trying to go?
Trying to have it sitting. It sits at 11.5, but it ain't that big. I'm gonna try to have
it's
it
11.5.
I'm gonna aim for about 15, 16.
Okay. Shit. Ford keys? No Ford keys, Chevy keys.
Yeah. Ford keys fuck shit up.
Yeah, they do. But hey, they give you that height.
Yeah, they sure do. Try to get as big as male red OBS.
Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, that shit's huge. That shit's huge. Yeah, y'all see the rig. That thing do clap. No cats. Straights all the way back to, you said 5?
Yeah, 5-inch.
5-inch / cut tips. Y'all see it. It's clean. Very clean. Shit. Roof racks. Need some, y'all. Hit them up. If you got something for sale, not fitting to pay out the ass for them, not gonna do it. You can go to the junkyard, get it for $90. Don't try to play somebody. You gonna do anything else to the interior?
I'm gonna build the doors. I need to fix them door pins so they'll stop squeaking, put new bushings in it. I'm gonna build the doors, probably put 4 8s or something right there.
Okay.
Maybe some tweezers. And for the back, I got a lot of space for sunroom. So
Got the barn doors. I know people love the barn doors.
mine are this. I'm gonna build a box back here to hold 412s, and I'm gonna build these doors and get rid of this. So
Okay.
Full door speakers.
That's gonna be fresh. That's definitely gonna be fresh.
That shit costs.
Oh yeah, it takes time too. Do that shit right the first time, you won't have no problem.
I won't ever have to go back through it.
Frame off?
I might. I need to paint the frame. It's got some rust on it. It ain't clean, but I gotta clean it up.
Yeah. For it to be a 99 though, it's pretty clean though. Can't lie. And you said them keys turn how far? 3/4 of the way up. Y'all see it. This is how it sits, y'all. You said 11.5 up front?
Yeah, from the top of the tire to the top of the fender well, maybe 11.5.
Okay.
Back, I think it's like an inch or 2.
Okay. Yeah, y'all see it. This is how it sits. If y'all ever want this set up, 11.5 front, 2 in the back. Like I said, y'all follow him on the gram. Got a lot of plans coming for this truck. Y'all stay tuned for real. Like I said, follow him on the gram. You'll see the progress of the truck. If anybody wanting this exhaust set up, this is what it sounds like. Woo! That bitch is loud.
Got an exhaust like hell though.
Shit. This is no cats.
That's alright. Randy's gonna fix that tomorrow.
Shit. That shit was loud. Yeah. Oh yeah, he'd get that right. Any motor work? You gonna do any motor work?
I got a 6.0 LS on my
Ooh, it's about to be.
that bitch first though.
This is about to be the fastest tooth box.
Hell no. Ain't got no speed to it. Damn slow and loud.
Shit, as long as you look good though. And that bitch sure do look good. I love that front end. I don't really like the Chevrolet ones. I like the GM better. Yeah, see, I feel like it's all part of who you have put it on too though. That has a lot to do with it.
Well, I ain't wiring shit on that motherfucker.
Oh, nah. See, I don't want to touch anything. I want to leave that strictly to Davis Custom. Let him be the one that have to damn mess with
If I
it.
wire something up on that bitch and it catch on fire, I'm gonna be mad.
Yeah, that's a
If
fact.
professional would catch on fire,
Then
they
that's,
fault.
yeah, exactly. That's a fact. That's a fact. How many rock lights?
2 per fender well, and I'm gonna put like 3 under the running board of the truck.
Okay.
Like,
See, I was trying to figure out how I want to run mine because I got 8, but I don't know if I want to buy more or just run that 8. I think I want to light up my
15
cross
right
member.
now.
15?
I probably won't use all of it.
Okay. Because I wanted to light up my cross member, but I don't know.
I don't think I think with the wheel lights, it's gonna light it up enough.
Facts.
Actually,
Facts. What kind of LEDs are they? Just the eBay special.
I really don't even know the brands, to be honest.
Shit, that shit is bright. It's showing up good on camera. You ever seen people, they delete that one and then just put them together?
I have seen them where they take this light out because this top one don't have a light. I'm probably gonna do that and take that bulb out.
Yeah, that shit crazy how they be doing that shit. Y'all hear the truck. Truck sound good. Angles are good. Are those aftermarket arms? Or are they the stock ones?
That's stock. Everything under there is stock.
Okay. Everything's stock, y'all.
No CV spacers, none of that.
Shit. How much higher you think this truck can go up front?
Probably about another 6-7 inches.
God.
If I made it, I can make it sit that high. If it would be safe to drive, probably not, but I can make it sit that high.
How well can you see?
Ain't bad, you can sit in it.
He thugging. You gotta see all the way back.
I could have had one.
Shit, that's not that bad.
I fucking have one.
Sheesh. So yeah, it's not that bad, y'all. I don't know why, and this is me laid all the way back. This is laid all the way back, and I can still see. You still be seeing cars and stuff?
Mm-hmm.
See, as long as you see them punch buggies, you good. Shit. Clean, clean, clean. Y'all, this truck is so clean. Keep in mind, it's a 99 now. Starlights?
I need to find someone who's good at doing that.
What you gonna do?
Probably about 1,500.
1,500?
It's a big ass headliner.
Yeah. See, I'm afraid to do mines because you know them new bodies, they got a damn air conditioning system
mine
going.
The same one right here is gonna duck right here in the headliner.
Okay.
So the headliner's 2-piece because of the rear AC.
Okay, so are you still gonna be able to get through that and fill that spot? How does that work?
So like right here in this spot right here, it's a 2-piece. So you just have to poke the light through one headliner and then poke it back through this one.
Okay. Okay.
Basically, so I mean, there's a gap where you can work it out and get through because all these vents right here, the air blows into that, and then it just.
Okay. Cause I've seen some people, they be having that empty space, but all of this be full, and I won't trying to do none of that.
My headliner, there won't nothing in there. All I gotta do is just poke it through that 2-piece and then straight it out.
Suede, y'all, suede. That's some pimping stuff. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Got another clean rig over here too. Something simple. That's the best route you can do. Is just simple, simple and clean, simple and clean.
You can see where it rubbed the damn sway bar.
Okay, yeah. Damn, that was at full lock too, huh?
Yeah, it only done it at full lock, and you see it hit the control arm a little bit too.
Okay.
But now it don't rub no more.
Okay, so you got full lock now.
Yeah, I got full lock now. I mean, dude, you turn everything.
Y'all said. What's the tint?
5% all the way around, 10% on the windshield.
Is it dark enough for you, or not really?
I want to get it darker. I think I'm gonna do double 5 and then get half the shield and 5.
Okay. Shit. Simple and clean, y'all. Like I said, 6-inch lift, 11.5 front, 2 in the back, exhaust, LEDs, inside and out.
Every bulb in replacement.
Yeah, y'all, this is the one right here. Made me want to get my OBS back out.